Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add sound effects in Capcut. So the first way you can add sound effects in Capcut is you just go to the place where you would like to add the sound effect to, and then you just go to audio and go to sound effects, and here you will be able to see all of the built-in sound effects you can use in Capcut. You can also see the categories, and you can also see that many of them can only be used with the pro version, which you can have the free trial by clicking the link in the description below. So another way to use sound effects, if you don't find the one, you can also search with the search bar. If you don't find the one you would like to use, you just need to go to Google or any kind of browser, and what you want to do is you just type in free sound effect and you just click on Pixabay. And here you're just gonna search for the sound effect which you would like to use. I'm gonna use this whoop sound effect. You can just play them by clicking on this play icon, and if you like it, you just need to click on the download icon. Once you downloaded the sound effect, you just need to go to the downloads and you can just drag it into Capcut. And here is the sound effect. Alright, so all in all, this is how to add sound effect in Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.